You can access more shapes by going into the custom shapes option inside a Photopea. So to do that, first of all, you need to go around onto the shape section, and here you can see that custom shape is an option right here. So right now you can see that it's a free size right here. I can click and drag around and I get a shape right here. But where I'm getting the shape from is from the shape section right here. So once you go around and click, then it takes some time to load out different shapes right here, as you can see. And there's a lot of shapes that you can choose from right here. For example, you can go around and find in, let's say, for example, tele right here. Then you got the Telegram icon right here. You go for YO and you got the YouTube icon, as you can see right here. And let me just go around over here and say photo right here, and then you got the photo icon. Click and drag it around right here, hold shift, and then you got a perfect shape right here. You can go around, choose the color as you want, and add in gradient as you want as well, just like this, and you got this particular shape in hand. So let me just go around over here, and let's say, for example, go for a pen right here, just like this, and then you got the pen shape. As long as the shape is there, you can go around and search it out, or you can go around and search for different shapes, as you can see right here, that you can utilize right here. So over here you can see that I got this snowman right here. Click and drag it out right here, and then you got this snowman shape right here. So let me just go around, decrease out the size right here, and this is the shape that you have. So you can go around, fill it out with different colors, as you can see right here. So you need to go around onto the shape tool, choose around the gradient, as you can see right here, or simply go around and choose a flat color right here. Same goes with the stroke as well. So you can go around and even choose a pattern, as you can see right here, just like this, and go for different shapes. For the fill as well, you can go for pattern, as you can see right here. Choose different patterns that you have right here, just like this, and then work around with it, and work around with the offset of Y and axis right here, and work around with the scale as well. So that is how you can go around and then work around with custom shapes inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.